Hello Kevin, it's Zurab here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2012 Toyota Camry Hybrid. It's in excellent condition, has nice Michelin all-season tires, the brakes all around being done already, front and back, new rotors, new pads. It drives excellent. It does come with the 2 keys. It has the keyless entry. You can lock the vehicle like that and open it without the key. Just keep the key fob in your pocket. A power seat, power windows, power mirrors. Lots of nice stuff here. It's keyless touch button start as well. Open ignition. You press the brake, press it again. So that's basically how it starts. AC blows cold air. That's the mileage, 109,000 kilometers on it. Very clean, no smell, no odors. There is a EV mode, eco mode. Yeah, it has Bluetooth, of course. Audio. You can play sounds I get from the phone as well. Nice stitches here on the dash. Lots of room, actually. It's pretty nice sedan. It's a front-wheel drive, great on gas. That's the purpose of hybrid. Press and hold. XLE. It does come with a kind of floor mat with the carpets and all-season rubber as well. And this is a organizer, front organizer. If you pull this up, the seats will be folded. And again, all ready to go. It's fully certified. The vehicle is ready to go. If you have any question regarding this vehicle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.